Hey guys, I hope that you're all doing okay during this time. I wanted to make a workout with me type of video because although we're all, stuck in the house during coronavirus, we will still be going to the gym at one point or another. So why not get started with getting motivated and getting some ideas to work out? Alright, so as you guys know, I love the stairmaster. So I am going on the stairmaster for 30 minutes. To this day, I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I find that going on the stairmaster actually warms me up a little bit to the fact that, okay, I'm here, I'm at the gym, I'm doing my thing. So, did I just say thing?
Did you just say thing?
And you can obviously go on the treadmill or even do like jumping jacks or like high knee kicks while you're at home, or go for a run. I mean, it's a great cardio alternative. Okay, so basically what this machine is the hip adductor and the hip abductor at the same time, which is an actual godsend because some machines are just hip abductors and some machines are just hip adductors. Hip abductors focus on the outer glutes, so this is when you would push out, as shown on the screen right now. And hip adductors focus on the inner thighs and the inner muscles. So as you can see on the screen right now, the legs are moving inwards rather than outwards. So I am absolutely obsessed with this machine because it really sharply and acutely focuses on your outer glutes when you do the hip abductors. But then once you do the hip adductors, it focuses really acutely on the inner glutes and the inner muscles. So this can give you more of a gap, this can give you more toned legs on the inside. So when you wear shorts, the flappy bits, I always used to struggle with those areas, but now I feel like they're much more firmer because I grinded on that hip adductor.
Are you done? Yeah. Are you sure?
Oh, girl. What?
Smells like vomit.
Love that.
Okay, so this is another one of my absolute favorite exercises, the leg curl. You know how big guys will do bicep curls and work on their bicep muscles? Well, ladies, this is the exact same thing, but for your legs. And I don't know about you, but I want biceps on my legs. I want that hamstring to just pop out, you know what I mean? And baby, when I use the leg curls, they are focusing on my hamstrings. They are focusing. Okay, so I say this every single time I'm showing you a new workout, but I swear to you, this is one of my favorite exercises, the hip thrust. You guys already know if you've been watching my gym workouts. This is the most targeting thing that you can do for your glutes. Like if you squat, if you lunge, it really focuses on your quads. I'm sure you guys know this. Your upper quads, your lower quads, and your glutes, granted, yes, of course. But, ladies and gentlemen, the hip thrust activates your glutes like no other exercise. For me, I feel like it just like raises the girth of my booty, whereas my squats, which is debatably kind of better now that I'm saying it out loud, raises my booty. And yes, I was taking a video of my camera to put on my Instagram stories. Gotta give Instagram a shout out real quick. Follow me on Instagram, just purely based off my stories. I mean, not to brag or anything, but my stories are pretty hilarious, so check them out and see for yourself. Walking lunges. I hate standalone lunges. I love walking lunges. I feel like it activates everything better. It activates your legs better. You get a deeper lunge. I don't know, for me, for my body, it feels a lot better. So I'm just gonna do what feels good for my body, Moving forward, the stiff leg deadlift. I could never really touch my toes, or I could never really be that flexible, but because of this exercise, I feel like I'm doing a stretch as well as doing a cardio, as well as doing a hip thrust while I'm going up, as well as toning my arms because I'm using the weight to lift the weight up. Make sure to try this workout out and let me know in the comments down below what worked for you, what didn't work for you, and just keep trying all the workouts out. Go on, other people's YouTube channels. Look at my YouTube videos about workouts. Go go on Instagram, try them all, and see which ones work for you. Make a list and then create your own range of exercises that are comfortable for you, because that's definitely what I did. And trust me, when you're doing what you love, you can never go wrong. So I want to say thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. And I appreciate you guys and love you a whole lot. And yeah, I hope that you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.